Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are going over some of the most requested stocks that you all wanted me to quickly review. Now, for more videos on these particular stocks, make sure to smash the like button right now, subscribe, and comment down below what companies you want me to do a more in-depth review on. So in this video, we're going to be going over BCRX stock, which is Biocrest Pharmaceuticals. Then we're going to move on to Aterian Inc., ticker symbol ATER. Then from there, we're going to talk about BWV stock, which is Blue Water Vaccines Inc. And then from there, we're going to move on to one of our last stocks, which is going to be ticker symbol SST, which is System 1 Inc. And then if we have time, we will also do a quick update on Mullen Automotive Inc., ticker symbol MULN, ticker name Mullen. And I've already done 2 videos on Mullen stock because they are an electric vehicle company, and I am very bullish on electric vehicles. But at the end of the video, I will link you to those 2 videos so you can see my personal analysis on Mullen stock. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So starting off with Biocrest Pharmaceuticals, this company is a commercial stage biotechnology company that discovers small molecule medicines. Their therapies for various biological pathway diseases have been used as an oral therapy once daily, and they are approved in the United States, the European Union, Japan, and the United Kingdom. They have various pharmaceuticals that are currently in their pipeline, and some investors are very bullish on this overall company. So the main thing that you need to take away is that they already have various pharmaceuticals on the market, and more is coming down the pipeline right now, and they are a biotechnology company. But what do their financials look like? Well, in 2021, they brought in around $157.17 million, and they had a negative net income of around $184.06 million. Their current stock price trades for around $11 right now. However, their low-end analyst price target for the company is $16, their average price consensus is $22, and their high-end bullish price prediction is $30 per share. The current market cap is around $2 billion, and more good news is that if we look at their shareholders, around 65% of institutions own this company, 0.11% of corporations own this company, 1.18% of insiders own the company, and 32% of others own this company, which would make up retail investors. So what I don't like about this company on the surface is that not a lot of insiders own this particular company. However, analysts do seem to be bullish on the stock, considering that the current stock price is trading below their low-end 12-month price target. And another reason we know this is that 13 analysts currently cover the stock, with 10 of them saying that it's a good buying opportunity right now, with only 3 of them saying that it's not a good buying opportunity right now. However, if we look at the stock chart, you can see after the last month, the stock price has absolutely plummeted today. It has just gone straight down. So if you want me to talk about why the company absolutely has plummeted in price from around $16 to $17, remember to smash that like button and comment down below if you want more on the BCRX stock. But with that being said, let's move over to Aterian Inc., ticker symbol ATER, and I personally own this company, but I've just started to nibble at it very little because I think that it has good stock price appreciation in the future. However, I could be wrong. This is one of my more risky investments. Currently, the stock price for Aterian is trading at around $4 to $5 right now, with the low-end analyst price target being $2.50. The average price consensus among professionals is $7, and the high-end bullish price target is $15 per share. The company currently has a market cap of around $290 million, and for 2021, their revenues, they brought in around $247 million just in 1 year, which is absolutely fantastic. 6 analysts currently cover the stock, with 4 analysts saying to buy the company, 1 analyst saying to hold the company, and lastly, we have our last analyst saying to sell the company. Aterian is overall a very strong company, and this is reflected in the amount of insiders and institutions that own this company. Currently, around 20% of their shareholders consist of institutional investors, 13% of their shareholders are made up by corporations, insiders own around 17% of this company, which is always good to see how insiders own these companies right now, 1.15% of holding companies own this company, and 48% of other, which would include retail investors. If you didn't know, Aterian, which was formerly known as Mohawk Group Holdings Inc., is a technology-enabled consumer product platform that builds, acquires, and partners with electric e-commerce brands. According to Webull, the company's cloud-based platform of artificial intelligence has a marketplace to combine their e-commerce engine, and it leverages machine learning to actually implement and streamline the management of various products across a multitude of marketplaces, including Amazon, Shopify, and Walmart. And lately, the stock price has been doing absolutely fantastic, surging in the last month by around 73%. However, if we zoom out, you can see that the stock price has absolutely been falling and falling dramatically, very aggressively. However, it is very good that we've hit an inflection point in the stock and now it is starting to uptrend. However, I personally think we're going to see a pullback in the stock soon. But that is your 10,000 foot up overview of Aterian. Remember to comment down below if you want more info on this particular company. But now we have to move on to Blue Water Vaccines Inc., ticker symbol BWV. This company has no revenues for 2021. They posted no revenues according to Webull. They have a market cap of around $120 million, and we don't have any analysts or price targets currently covering the stock from at least reputable institutions. However, in the past year, the stock price has fallen by around 81%, so this is not good news. However, despite this, institutions still make up around 7% of the holdings of this company, 32% of their shareholders are corporations, 28% of insiders own this company, and the other or retail investors own the remaining 31% of this company. So what does this company do and why is the stock price falling? Well, to know why the stock price is falling, you're going to have me report on this particular company by commenting down below if you want more info on this company. I don't have enough time to make videos on each one of these companies, so if you want me to go more in depth on this company, you're going to have to comment down below and smash the like button right now. Blue Water Vaccines Inc. is another biotechnology company just like the first company that we looked at. However, this one is more focused on the research and the development of transformational vaccines to prevent infectious diseases across the world, and this is all according to Webull. Clearly, they specialize in various antigens, and they also have multi-targeted vaccines. That would include influenza vaccines or flu vaccines, along with a plethora of other vaccines in a very unique way. So overall, this could be absolutely fantastic if you get into this pre-revenue company, according to Webull. However, with that being said, we're going to have to move on to our next stock, which is ticker symbol SST, also known as System 1 Inc. The majority of this company is owned by institutions, and insiders own less than 2% of this overall company. Right now, the current stock price is trading for around $23 per share, which is actually the high-end price target for this particular company. The low-end analyst price target is $15 over the next 12 months, and the average price consensus is $19 per share. Only 2 analysts cover this stock, so clearly we're going to have to take analysts with a grain of salt on all of these companies, but particularly when there's only 2 analysts covering the stock and both of them say to buy the company. Again, this is going to be a pre-revenue company according to Webull because they didn't post anything according to Webull for 2021. And this company is mainly known for operating a customer acquisition platform that enables various brands to develop and grow their overall customers. But lately, this stock has received a plethora of volume because it's up over 128% as of right now. However, I personally think that the stock will pull back and cool off, even though it is meeting the analyst price target for the most bullish price target for the next 12 months, which is very cool. But I would love to hear your thoughts down below about this specific company and if you are invested into SST. Lastly, we have Mullen stock, ticker symbol MULN. And Mullen Automotive is an electric vehicle manufacturer that is supposed to start manufacturing, developing, and selling vehicles in the next few years. Investors are very bullish about the battery technology of this particular company because supposedly they have batteries that can make a car travel up to 600 miles on a single charge, which is extremely bullish. However, in my last 2 videos, I said Mullen is not very solid fundamentally, and of course financially they are absolutely horrendous. So that's why I personally am not going to risk investing into Mullen stock, even though we have seen good stock price appreciation. If we zoom in within the last month, the company is up over 118%, but of course we could see a massive pullback from this, or the company could continue to skyrocket from this already drastic pullback because originally the stock was priced at almost around $13 per share. But with this being said, I would love to hear your thoughts on Mullen stock in any of these companies. This is kind of just a very large overview according to what Webull thinks of these various companies, because there is so much more information regarding all of these companies that I just couldn't get into in a timely manner. So if you want me to report and do do a further deep dive analysis on a particular company, please comment that down below and just comment your general thoughts. I normally don't do videos like this one. This is more of like a troll video because I really don't just do surface level analysis, which I literally just did on all of these companies. But if you actually want a business professional's opinion on these companies, I will determine which one of these is the most popular among the subscribers, and then we will actually do a deep dive on that particular company. So remember to smash that like button right now, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.